Hello, Namaste. Priyanka here from Paris, Surat.
Hi, Namaste. Sharmishta here from Paris, Surat. We are welcoming you all for this special live that is based on Bandhej collection, which is also very much popular for known as tie and dye. Tying and dyeing is the India's most favorite traditions and cultures that has been continuing from generation to generation. And for this, that is why we have brought some amazing collection of tie and dye, that is Bandhej sari collection, which is exclusively available at Paris, Surat. So beginning from the first sari that we have to present to you is this beautiful self color, which I want the cameraman to come a bit closer and show it to you all. This amazing collection that we have exclusively at Paris. Before moving on ahead and giving you the garment details, I would want you all to know that if in case you're liking the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us, send a DM to us, or you can WhatsApp it to us very easily.
On the WhatsApp number is 8866982359. Okay, see the beautiful color.
This amazing color is a primary color that we have first taken. It has some mirror work. It is based on pure Georgette fabric. So you guys can pick it for any color, any season that you are going for, any weddings or any occasions that you are planning to wear a bandhej. Bandhej is not limited to any functions. You can wear it anytime. You can wear it at your home also. And these are available at amazing prices. So do DM it to us because we have very limited collection for bandhej.
And one more thing, see here how beautiful am I. Look at me in pink color, in hot pink color. Such a beautiful outfit. See, the Paris Surat always give you the best products, the best saree for your fair color, for anything, for any other occasion. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next saree then.
This is again the same fabric with a contrast color which has multiple colors. If you guys can come and see closely. It also has mirror work. The pleats are falling so beautifully. Georgette fabric is amazing to carry for any season, that is summer, winter, whichever season you want to carry. ये बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, ट्रेंडिंग कलर है, आप इसे परचेस कर सकते हो. आप इसकी पल्लू भी देख लीजिए guys. This has amazing pallu with a beautiful tassel at the below.
And आपको पता है ये कौन पहना है? आलिया भट्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. This is called Alia Bhatt concept. ये Alia Bhatt ने पहना हुआ है इस टाइप का concept. Then when she wore, then we have got the new collections now. So please right now message us on 8866982359. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next.
Moving on to the next saree. This is also amazing.
Wow, it has
Beautiful
got
work.
hand work on it. Please come closer. It has got fully Zardozi work with
It
a
has
peacock.
it has got Zardozi work, peacock, which is hand embroidered completely. The sari is very beautiful. You can see, you can have a beautiful shape when you're wearing this sari. The pleats fall beautifully. Bottom also, if you guys come see closely, see.
Even the
has
border.
Zardozi work, heavy Zardozi work, which is again very beautiful for any weddings that you want to wear or any Diwali function, any function that you're planning to, and this looks very classy and amazing at the same time. If in case you're liking it guys, screenshot लेना मत भूलो. Screenshot लेने के बाद हमें DM करिए. We can tell you more details about this saree. And if you want to know the price, आप हमें WhatsApp भी reach कर सकते हैं. The number is
8866982359. and इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर्स भी मिल सकती है, बहुत सारे कलेक्शंस भी मिल सकती है. So friends, also if you want right now messages, okay? And see, wow, पातली पल्लू साड़ी, हाफ पैनल साड़ी. See, look
It
at
has
this.
some ruffles also that is there at the pleats. रफल का काम किया हुआ है, चेक्स का काम है इसमें. आप इसकी प्रिंट्स देखोगे तो काफी ब्यूटीफुल
बहुत ही
है.
अच्छा, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है.
टाई एंड डाई जो इसका किया हुआ है, दैट इज सो अमेजिंग. यू गेट अ गुड फीलिंग.
गज्जी सिल्क के ऊपर है. ओके, सी लुक एट द फॉलोइंग हियर. इसका जो रफल जो दिया हुआ है ना नीचे फ्लीट्स में, अमेजिंग थिंग. रियली आई लव दिस कलर पर्सनली.
इस पे रेशम और जरदोजी का दोनों का काम किया हुआ है. गजी सिल्क है जो हम सबको काफी पसंद आता है. So, and something similar is worn by Priyanka. So
Yes,
you
see,
guys
how
can see
am I?
very pretty this color looks. Actually, pink is everybody's favorite color. और सबको ही ये color पसंद आता है. So Priyanka is also wearing the same color, and here is our collection.
Really, am I looking beautiful?
Very beautiful.
Thank you so much. So please message us right now, even if you want to look beautiful, okay?
Moving on to the second primary color, that is the green. It has some ombre to it. If you guys can see, it has a mix of green, teal green and the green, and also yellow. It has gotapati work. The tassels are also given to this sari, and the tassels are very different. It is thread and also some beads, so ये बहुत pretty लगता है.
See, look at the pallu.
गोटापति और पर्ल का इसमें काम है, सो इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल व्हेन अ वुमन इज वेयरिंग इट. आप इसको हर एक फंक्शंस में पहन सकते हो. इट लुक्स वेरी रॉयल, रिच एंड एलिगेंट एट द सेम टाइम. So it's not like if you buy this sari and which function if you are planning to wear, we have our style experts present at Paris, so वो आपको guide भी करेंगे for what sari, what blouse you can wear, what makeup you should do, everything under one roof you will get.
Okay, see, matching blouse also you get with here.
So guys, if you're liking it, take a screenshot and send it to us so that we can DM it to you, the price, the garment details and a lot more.
We are always available to show you our beautiful collections, okay? So now we'll move on to the next saree. Look at this.
I want the cameraman to first come and show you this very closely because this is something which is very unique, which has multi-colors in it. It has mirror work, minute mirror work
With nice tassels. So matching blouse also if you get.
If you're liking this saree, do not forget to take a screenshot because guys, this is a limited collection that we have at Paris. So whenever you want, you can DM it to us and take a screenshot if you're liking it.
Messages on 8866982359. Once again, I'm repeating 8866982359. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next saree then. Come on. See, this is something different.
This is everybody's love in Paris. Because this has patola with bandhej. If you guys can see very closely, two primary colors है इसमें, that is red and also green. और इसकी borders भी आप देखोगे तो जरी borders है, जरी weaving की हुई है, patola with zari weaving, and this looks so amazing with bandhej, the tie and dye fabric. This looks very classy. If in case you're liking this saree, take a screenshot and send it to us so that we can DM you the prices and lots more detail about this specific saree.
Okay. So
Now moving on to the other sarees that you can see, again a primary color of yellow and red. Tie and dye इसका देखोगे आप very closely, बहुत beautiful tie and dye किया हुआ है. अगर आप सबको पता है tie and dye क्या है, अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो यू कैन चेक आउट पैरिस यूट्यूब चैनल जिसमें टाई एंड डाई की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है. इसमें जरी का काम भी है. इफ यू गाइस कैन सी इट वेरी क्लोजली, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है ये, बहुत लाइक दिस इज लाइक आई माई सेल्फ पर्सनली वॉन्ट टू वेयर दिस कलर बिकॉज अभी समर चल रहा है और समर के सीजन को ध्यान में रखते हुए वी हैव बॉट दिस कलेक्शन फॉर यू. Now moving on to again another beautiful saree. I mean, just look at this. This is today's generation work. Ajrak print, right?
in purple color.
Guys, you can see this beautiful saree. It has some beautiful Ajrak prints.
Really, Shandisa, if you wear this color, it looks beautiful on you.
Yeah, I know. This is so pretty.
If हम पहनने के बाद इतने ब्यूटीफुल लग सकते हैं, so imagine how beautiful you would look.
So do not forget to take a screenshot and DM us.
And
we will tell you lots more about this saree.
So don't forget the number 8866982359. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next saree.
This is again the same base fabric, that is a same bandhej collection, but most importantly I want to show you this
Karchola.
karchola.
Oh my god, just look at this. See, sorry. The real Gorchola is this, which you can wear for weddings. This is so beautiful. Okay?
आप हर वेडिंग में इसको पहनना चाहोगे बिकॉज दिस हैज सम अमेजिंग टाई एंड डाई. जस्ट लुक एट दिस फैब्रिक स्ट्रेचेस सो ब्यूटिफुली. इस पे जरी का भी काम किया हुआ है एंड इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. आई मीन वेरी एलिगेंट, वेरी रिच इट लुक्स. आपको ये अगर पसंद आ रहा है एंड इफ इन केस यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ वेडिंग या आपके घर पे किसी की वेडिंग है या कोई भी फंक्शन आ रहा है, इफ इन केस एनी पूजा दैट यू आर प्लानिंग टू, you can wear this saree. This looks very beautiful.
So the next saree, sky blue in
Sky
bandage.
blue. Oh
Sky
my God.
blue. Oh my god. See, pure Gachi silk. Look at the fabric. How soft it is. Okay. See the border. Very beautiful. So, why you're waiting for? Messages right now. 8866982359. Once again, I'm repeating you. 8866982359. Okay? So messages right now for more collections.
Now I want to show you something which is again very popular. Come this side. This is the first pink color that I want to show you. We have lots more color in this particular fabric.
And see, look
you
at
guys, you guys can go a bit closer and watch the saree.
See, it has got the resham work. Resham work in the sense like with the Lucknowi with the bandage.
It has Lucknowi with bandage work. बहुत ही pretty color है ये. आज की generation को बहुत पसंद आता है ये color. That is pink. It's one of my favorite color. And I personally like this saree because I am from today's generation and I would want to carry this. It gives a very heavy look. Right, Priyanka?
Exactly. Because
Lucknowi work is very popular, very trending currently. You generally wear a kurta, teenagers, but आप अभी साड़ी भी पहन सकते हो. इस साड़ी की स्टाइलिंग टिप्स अगर आपको चाहिए है तो हम आपको ये YouTube चैनल पे देने वाले हैं, जो पेरिस का YouTube चैनल है. आप सब्सक्राइब करिए उस चैनल को, और अगर आपको ये साड़ी भी पसंद आ रही है तो हमें DM करिए स्क्रीनशॉट लेके, ताकि हम आपको इसकी सारी डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड कर सके एंड पर्सनल.
See, because the thing is, Lucknowi आपने normally पहना होगा. Lucknowi लहंगा चोली, Lucknowi sarees, Lucknowi dresses, Lucknowi kurtis. But ये कुछ अलग है. With Lucknowi you get the bandhani saree. कुछ अलग है in today's generation.
Yes, so true. Of course.
Yeah. See,
It's so beautiful.
Even it's very beautiful. See
how beautiful it looks on Priyanka when she is wearing it.
Thank you
It
so
looks
much.
so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Guys, if you want to look this pretty, you can buy this saree very easily. It's on an affordable prices. DM it to us so that we can talk to you and tell you and show you more collections
And
that we
please
have.
message us right now. Why you're waiting for? Paris has got more collections for you. Don't get
We
anywhere.
have some amazing colors in the same fabrics.
Fabric and the same design. Look at once.
Wow, look at the pallu part. It's so heavy, it's rich, it's elegant, and it's very stunning. It's so beautiful. The fabric, see, the volume of the fabric is so beautiful. I mean, it's light, but it's also giving a heavy look to you guys. So why not to buy it right now? Just buy it right away.
What you're waiting for?
Yes.
See, even the same category, but
Come
the
this
color
side, guys. We want you all to come a bit closer. ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा कलर है. समर में आप इसको पहन सकते हो. सेम फैब्रिक है, सेम पैटर्न है, बट द डिफरेंट कलर इन इट. आप इसको इजीली कैरी कर सकते हो एंड यू विल लुक स्टनिंग व्हेन यू वेयर दिस.
एकदम शांत कलर है ये.
You know, see how beautiful it looks.
Really, you look beautiful on this color.
Thank you. How pretty it looks. So, if in case I'm just holding it on me and Priyanka is complimenting me, imagine if you wear it and you go out on any function of yours, you will look stunning. You will be the head turner basically.
Exactly. So now we'll move on to the new sarees.
Before moving on ahead, guys, if in case आपको कुछ पसंद आ रहा है तो do take a screenshot and message it to us, because ये collection काफी limited है और quick selling है, इसीलिए we are telling you to DM on the number that is given below, and Priyanka will also repeat the number.
8866982359. Once again, I'm repeating you. 8866982359. Okay.
So let's move on to the next collection.
Oh, please, can you come closer? Bandhani with Meenakari. Meenakari, the patola weaving has been done with the Meenakari.
Yes. Bandhani with patola with Meenakari. Oh my God, एक साड़ी में इतने सारे variations
Even
है.
the colors also, you know.
ये colors आप देख रहे हो कि इसमें इतने beautiful colors है. That is the red and the orange. This is so amazing. इसमें आप closely देखोगे तो you can see the elephant that is woven so beautifully. इस पे वीव की गई है बारीक थ्रेड से, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट मोर देन जस्ट एन एलिफेंट. देयर इज अ पीकॉक ओवर हियर. You can see lots more in this saree. Oh my God, I myself is loving this pattern a lot. I want to gift it to my mother because she generally likes this red color with this ombre touch to it, and the bandhej. Oh, it's like very limited. You don't get to see such collections everywhere. अगर ये आपको लाइव से हम दिखा रहे हैं, that means ये limited है, rare है, and we are welcoming you to buy this for your loved ones.
Exactly. See, again came with the favorite color, pink. Pink.
Pink is the most favorite color actually. That is why we have lots of options in pink.
Pink colors.
This is like the lighter shade of what Priyanka is wearing right now. But ये बहुत ही classy है. ये full, इस पे आप देखोगे तो पूरा काम है ये साड़ी पे.
It's very beautiful. So ladies, why are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for actually? Just quickly DM it to us.
Right.
इसका ये part भी देखो. Where is the blouse? It has again a beautiful tie and dye. Tie and dye, we all know tie and dye is a tradition of bandhej. So आप closely देखोगे तो borders also have good work.
श्री शर्मिष्ठा, Paris सूरत है ना, कितना नया नया collections लाता है.
Right.
Updated collections, always we are on updated, you know. See, even this is also same with the Meenakari. Okay, look at the traditional portion of it.
Look at the pallu part, guys. I mean, wow. Zari work is so much shining. And it's not even burning your eyes. It's so beautiful. It's so light. And it has multi-work. Like the colors are so beautiful. See, the red going into green. And then there is zari. And then there is this beautiful bandhej saree.
See ladies, if you want more collections and more updates, please message us right now to the Paris Surat, and the number is 8866982359. Once again, I'm repeating you, 8866982359. Okay, and so please message us right now. We are waiting for your replies and the messages and the calls. Okay, so Sharmishta, so now we'll get the more collections and updates within minutes. Okay,
before we sign off for today's live, I also want to show you this.
Just have a glance.
Just take a screenshot if you're liking it. I'm just turning it very fast. Look at the borders also, they are heavy. अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ भी पसंद आ रहा है तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, और स्क्रीनशॉट लेके हमें डीएम करिए. स्पिन द बीन जैसे हम इसे कर रहे हैं. सो इसको क्विकली जस्ट लाइक अ गेम टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, तो आपको भी हम इसकी सारी डिटेल्स आराम से बता सके whenever you are free on your convenient time at your convenient place. So you don't have to come to our shop to shop. Actually, we do provide video shopping services. That is from your place. You can shop whatever you want to because Paris has it all. Like it has men's wear, women's wear, everything. You can shop anytime sitting at your home. So do not forget to call.
And please, can you have a glance on the racks? If you want to see colors, what we have.
This is actually our basement place where we have this
On the
bandhej collection, and ये सारे racks completely traditionally bandhej से ही filled up है. So अगर आपको ये सब दिख रहा है और इसमें से कुछ भी पसंद आ रहा है तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेना ना भूलिए, एंड स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के बाद हमें डीएम करिए so that we can show you this amazing collection.
Exactly. So now for today, the session is over. So we'll get the more updates and the more new patterns we get for the next session, so we'll be getting in touch with you. So please stay tuned for the next updates, okay?
And next update कब है? Next live कब है? Actually, that is tomorrow that we are doing. We'll update you with the times, okay, and everything more in detail. And if in case you have missed out anything from this live session, we are sharing this live session on our IGTVs. So वहाँ से भी आप इसे अपने friends के साथ share कर सकते हो, families के साथ share कर सकते हो. And you can DM it to us if in case अभी miss हुआ है, उसमें से देख के आप हमें DM
कर सकते हो always, okay? Even we are available on FaceTime and Skype, also on Instagram and Facebook, and also on YouTube. So don't forget anywhere to message, okay? So message us right now. Okay?
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.